To embark on the Luminous Lightstick Volcano Experiment, gather used light sticks, a clear plastic soda bottle, and safety goggles. Start by cutting the light sticks open and carefully pouring the liquid into the soda bottle, ensuring you wear gloves throughout. Place the bottle in a sink to contain any potential spills. For the next step, add baking soda into the bottle and immediately follow with vinegar. As the chemical reaction occurs, watch the mesmerizing luminescent eruption that visually mimics a glowing lava flow. This captivating display is a result of the acids in the vinegar reacting with the bases in the light stick fluid and baking soda, illustrating acid-base reactions and chemiluminescence, making it an exciting project for all ages.